Hello students, I am Dr. Ashalata Shankar Tirda from JSS Art Science Commerce College Goka. Today I am just introducing you about final solutions written by Mahesh Dattani. So in the last class I just gave you some of the hints of final solutions. Before just going to the complete theme, let me just introduce you the writer of Final Solutions. This has been translated into Hindi and many languages. It has been a very famous play. Dattani has been a playwright. He has made a name in Anglo-Indian drama. He was born in Bangalore on 7th August 1958 and studied in Baldwin High School and St. Joseph College of Arts and Science at Bangalore. But his heart was in drama. He joined Playban Theatre Group, for which he directed several plays on all kinds of themes. In 1986, he wrote his own play, Where There Is a Will. Since then, he has been working full-time for theatre. He set up his theatre audio to train and showcase new talents. Dattani got Sahitya Academy Award for his book Final Solutions and other plays. Dattani Award for his book Final Solutions and other plays. He teaches theatres, courses at Portland State University. Then he is a versatile genius. He is a director, actor, dancer, teacher and a writer. That is versatile one, all in one. Dattani has acted in several well-known plays and has won accolades for his performance. Dattani has directed radio plays, some of which have been aired on BBC Radio as well. He learned Western ballet dancing under Molly Andre and Bharatanatyam under Chidamraga there and Krishna Rao. Performed Ranga Pravesha, that's a dance debut solo, at Guru Nanak Bhavan, Bangalore. He has done screenplay writing in Xavier Institute of Communications, Mumbai. Several of his works, including Final Solutions and other plays, Tara, collected plays, contemporary Indian theatre have been published. Dattani has had a senior positions in theatre groups. In 1987, he was artistic director and founder of Playfun. He has written many plays also. He is also known for his work Tara. His best known plays include Where There Is a Will, Dance Like a Man, and Bravely Fought the Queen, Night Queen, Do the Needful, Onamagi Night in Mumbai, Seven Circles Round the Fire, The Swami and Winston, and the 30 Days in September. So, you see that he has received laudatory comments from the media. International Herald Tribune wrote, Dattani is one of the India's best and the most serious contemporary playwright in English. Besides being a dramatist artist, Dattani is a sociologist of sorts. He studies social problems which he presents in his plays. Therefore, his plays can be studied as problem plays. His plays have been largely applauded by audience everywhere and have brought rich returns in terms of the money. And in his treatment of the social problems, he goes to expose villainy even of the people of the highest rank. In his plays, 7 steps are on fire, he goes to expose the wickedness of the minister's son, one of the characters, Subbu. So you can see here on a muggy night, he has in the first play, Anglo-Indian drama, he presents the theme of a gay life, their love, partnership, trust and betrayal. It's a very bold play which openly discusses gay life, which is looked upon with aversion. Then he also in the Do the Needful talks of the marriage of convenience, which is a radio play written for BBC. It is an unconventional romantic comedy. He has also depicted the communal hatredness in the final solution. It is a play about a communal hatred. The playwright has uncovered several aspects of the problem. There are age-old traditions, beliefs, misbeliefs, prejudice, etc., which are the root of the hatred. There is a long-standing rancor in the minds of the Orthodox and conservative Hindus that anything that has been even touched by the Muslims becomes untouchable. Javed had picked up a letter, one of the character, which postman has dropped and opened the gate of his neighbor to deliver the letter. The neighbor came out with a piece of the cloth in his hand, read the letter before picking it. So you can see the characters like Bobby, Javed, Aruna, and presenting different attitudes. All religions are one, only the ways of the God are many. She believes, one of the characters believes, that the right waiter, the water brought by the Bobby and Javed will not be pure enough to bathe her gods. There are people who want to create communal tensions for their even pretty beliefs. So when there has been a fight with the parties of both the religion, you can see how the people just try to be selfish. But the playwright has tried to bring the sanity to the communal minded persons. Some of his characters have spoken against tendency betraying other religions. Ramnik is one of the important characters here, and even Aruna have said that all the religions are based on the same fundamental values. And in Where There Is a Will, he just shows the generation gap, and he has exposed the absurdity in the behavior of such persons as Hasmukh, who try to impose their will upon all. Then you see that there is a misbelief and about the dancers in a play like Dance Like a Man. So he has written different themes also. Then there is an emancipation of women in a problem play called Thara. So Thara's parents Patel and Bharti lack understanding. Bharti believes that the Patel does not think about Thara's career. So you can see some of the characters here. After the death of the wife, Chandan speaks coldly to his father, showing the little love for his father. So you can see the complex things going on. There is importance given to the woman here. In each of his plays, Dattani has dealt with domestic problems which generally remain unnoticed, though they cause considerable damage to the happiness of the family. So this is all about the introduction of Mahesh Dattani and about his plays. Hope you just followed. We'll be just moving to the different characters that he has sketched regarding final solutions in the next class. This was just the introduction. Okay, thank you students.